Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the dashboard on a Ford Expedition. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing trim panels to access screws and fasteners. Keep a container for screws and photograph connector locations as you go. Use trim removal tools to avoid damage and label electrical connectors with tape. Work methodically from the passenger side to the driver's side to avoid missing hidden clips or bolts along seams. Gain access to the upper dash by removing vent bezels and instrument cluster trim first. Carefully pry vents with trim tools and unplug harnesses behind vents. Remove instrument cluster screws and gently pull cluster forward to access mounting bolts. Document screw locations and store them in labeled bags for reassembly. If the vehicle has a passenger airbag, follow safe removal steps and keep the airbag pointed upward away from your work area. In between steps, quick recommendation: if you like staying organized while working under a dash, try those leak-proof meal prep containers. They stack neatly in a toolbox, keep screws and small parts dry, and double as lunch carriers for long jobs. If this tip helps, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the container link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the cluster and trim are out, you can remove center dash components like radio, HVAC controls, and ashtray. Unplug all connectors and use photos to map wiring harnesses before disconnecting any electrical plugs. Remove HVAC duct screws and support brackets to free the main dash beam. Have a helper support the dash when loosening the last bolts to prevent damage or injury during removal and lowering of the assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.